Hey all, welcome back to another hands-on exercise. I've kind of created this one in order to help with other things. There's some questions that came up, so just reverting back to create schedule groups and create an emergency schedule group. So we're going to get this started. This is already given that you guys have logged in. You're in the admin section. Under routing, you're going to go and look for scheduling. So click on scheduling. And this is kind of a two-part here because in order to create a schedule group, you need to have a list of schedules. So you'll go into schedules and you can see I already have some created here, but you're going create add schedule. And this could be just, let's say I'm going to put my last name, Nolan Test, open, right? This can be whatever you want, whatever you guys have. You can put it whatever division you want. I'm just going to leave it in home. For this, it's going to be repeating or actually this is going to be here, right here, where we'll start it today. We'll do 9 to 5 is fine, and then go ahead and hit save. Now you'll be able to go ahead and search for that. And there it is. So we have the open. I am going to select that to a repeating event because we're going to do this weekly. And this will be Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. There's no end date. It starts today. So go ahead and hit save again. Now that's the first part of it. It's essentially the same thing with the schedule group. So we switch over to schedule group, add schedule group. I'm going to put that same thing, nil and test, except for open. I'll leave time zone. You make it whatever your business needs are. Obviously, this is just for tests. It's going to put New York. Leave it in the same division. On the open, that's where we're going to gather that schedule I just grabbed. So now there's open there. If you have some like maybe you want to specifically have a closed schedule, that's fine. Holidays, like New Year's Day or 4th of July or whatever, you would create that same kind of schedule that I did for the open and then put it within the holiday. And you can kind of see there's been some here, like you can kind of see Christmas Day and then add now Christmas Day. It's going to play out or go down the holiday flow. Go ahead and hit save. And that is the creation of the schedule group. So we're going to go ahead and do the emergency group in this hands-on. It's hand in hand here, and it's in the same section even. You don't even have to go away from that. It's in the emergency groups here. On this piece, you are just going to go ahead and click Add Emergency Group. I'm just going to go ahead and put Nolan Test Emergency, just so it sticks out there, and hit Create. You can go ahead and hit. Now this does stay up. It will still be created. You can hit cancel there, and then now you can do a search here to make sure that it did show up, and there's your emergency test. To enable it, you just click on this button. It enables it. Also disables it. This will be used when we start creating architect flows, and we have a schedule group that we have to tie to as well as an emergency. So thanks for this one. If you guys have any questions, obviously reach out. But look forward to